Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 GLE 63S. This one's in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 578 horsepower and 561 pounds of torque. This one does have an illuminated start on the grille, active curve illumination headlights, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 21-inch black AMG wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, V8 bi-turbo badging on the side, black exclusive Napa leather interior with gray stitching, a burl walnut wood trim, sunroof, AMG GLE 63S badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sills, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push-start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad for our infotainment center, our different driving settings, sports suspension, dynamic selects. This GLE has 53,016 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 63S, visit us at feldmanimports.com.